The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2015, represents Apple's latest flagship smartphone, with a focus on computational photography, seamless integration with iOS, and versatile all-in-one capabilities. In contrast, the Nikon D850 is a high-end full-frame DSLR camera from 2017, still in production and highly regarded. Designed primarily for professional still photography with interchangeable lenses and raw sensor performance. This comparison evaluates them across key categories relevant to photography and videography, drawing on official specifications and performance benchmarks. While the iPhone 17 Pro excels in portability and hybrid use cases, the D850 dominates in traditional photographic depth. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs. I'll conclude with a recommendation. Analysis. The D850's full-frame sensor crushes the iPhone in raw image quality. Larger pixels, 4.35 mm versus iPhone's 1.0 mm. Capture more light, reducing noise in low light, and delivering unparalleled detail in prints up to 40-60 inches. The iPhone's smaller sensors rely on AI, photonic engine, smart HDR5 for impressive results in everyday scenarios. But they can't match the D850's natural dynamic range or color science without processing artifacts. Winner? Nikon D850 for pure photography. Analysis. The iPhone's integrated system is good enough for travel or social media, with clever fusion of sensors for simulated multi-lens effects. However, the D850's ecosystem allows pro-grade optics, like a 70-200mm f2.8 for sports, or a 14-24mm f2.8 for astrophotography, unlocking creative control the iPhone can't replicate. Fixed lenses limit the iPhone to its 16x zoom range, while the D850 scales infinitely. Winner, Nikon D850. Analysis, both are stellar, but the D850's dedicated phase detect system edges out for fast-moving subjects like wildlife, with fewer hunting issues in dim conditions. The iPhone's computational AF shines in video and casual use, predicting motion via AI. For stills pros, the D850's precision wins. Winner? Tie, leaning D850 for pros. Analysis. The iPhone obliterates the D850 here. Hollywood-grade tools like ProRes RAW and 120 FPS from WAR make it a pocket video studio for vloggers or filmmakers. The D850's video is dated, better as a stills first hybrid. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro. Analysis. The iPhone is a lifestyle device, light, intuitive, and integrated with your phone ecosystem. The D850 feels like a pro tool, with a tactile EVF for precise composition, but its weight and size make it a commitment. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro for everyday use. Analysis. The D850 lasts longer for dedicated shoots, with swappable batteries for all-day events. The iPhone multitasks, calls, apps, but needs daily charging. Winner, Nikon D850 for extended photo sessions. Analysis. The iPhone offers insane value as a smartphone camera hybrid. The D850 is pricier up front but holds resale value, out 70% after years for pros. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro for budget-conscious users. Analysis. The iPhone's ecosystem is beginner-friendly and fast. The D850 suits pros who prefer manual control. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro for accessibility. The Nikon D850 is the superior dedicated camera for professional photographers prioritizing raw image quality, lens versatility, and stills performance. Ideal for landscapes, portraits, or commercial work where every pixel counts. Its full-frame sensor and F-mount system deliver results that no smartphone can match without heavy post-processing. However, for most users in 2025, the iPhone 17 Pro is the best overall choice. It's a revolutionary all-in-one device. Pocketable, video-dominant, and packed with computational magic that handles 90% of scenarios. Travel, social, casual, pro, better than a bulky DSLR. At half the price and with phone perks, it's more practical unless you're a full-time shooter. If your workflow involves heavy video or mobility, go iPhone. For ultimate photo purity, invest in the D850. What's your primary use case? Stills, video, or hybrid?